Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science Year 1, Unit 3, Amazing Animals, and this is video part 1 of 2. This unit tutorial will be in 2 parts, during which I will walk you through the unit so you come out being confident in how to access the resources, the content of the unit, and how to make any adaptations for your class. So we'll walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. The resources available to teach this unit are the Science Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook online, additional resources to go alongside some lessons, and a Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources, log into Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions and the subject and year group you want. You'll need to scroll down to access the resources, and you can scroll through all of them here or use the drop-down tab to select the year group and unit you'd like. Here you'll find all the resources you need to teach that unit. Here are the overall disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You can pause the video here to read through them, or you can find them in the progression document for the subject and this unit's unit planning guidance. Here is how this unit connects to other units with the future learning. A bullet point list of the progression and linking facts can be found in the unit planning guide. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 10 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. People should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before going forward. Every lesson ends with 2 exit questions, which also allow teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to have any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, as well as future and prior learning to make those links, and use a copy of the pupil workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using pupil workbook as the teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. You may have 1 or 2 pupils in mind as you work through the activities. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.